Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia. Guys, I had said to myself, I'll do the Senzo Mayor trial in High Court, Pretoria. But until Moses Sibiya cracked me up, it's just like I can't hold myself. I have to do the video quicker. When he said, Ubalo, so, when I can't stand at bank at here. Athi yebo ngiyenzeka ukuthi yami nenye there was another phone number that was his in 2014. It's just like, yes, I did have a number in 2014 MTN, but I just can't remember the number. And it was long time ago. That's what he said in Zulu. And then Ubalo is just like, as the Standard Bank, I know into ibhalwe ngesandla. Couldn't hold myself. People are just busy cooking, writing ngesandla. I'm just like, guys, please, people need to stop it. It's just like, guys, they belong as andla can't. Kanti kufanele ngabe qhamuke bank ikubhale kahle from the bank, from umshini. It's just like, that's it. Ubalo yabayeke, guys, honestly. Ubalo nje basically today he's continuing to ask accused number one izinto pushing things. I mean, this is a waste of time. Why can't you just give it up, Baloyi? Usam Foster ngendaba kaZungu. And Umuzi actually has exposed Ubaloyi and his entourage quite a few times yesterday and a bit of this morning already. Because Ubaloyi is pushing that whole thing. Ramusipile did ask you izinto and this is how you answered. Uthi vele akhanda ukuthi ngangiphendule kanjani uRamusipile uAtheni Ramusipile. Muzi says, I knew I will have my chance to come to the stand and tell my story instead of ukhulunyelwa ngathi idlozi, but that came from me. That whole thing, because I just accused all five of them have been spoken for. Angazi if I'm putting it right, but yeah, abakazikhulumela bayatshelwa, they are told. Yabona ukuthi the narration of the whole story, this is amanga is Brigadier Ginindu, they were actually intruders. Noma most of the time as gaslight and be like, I don't know why South Africans believe that. This is how he speaks, Ben. There were no intruders in that house. Why would South Africans believe that there were no intruders? And guys, why do they even believe that? His time is coming. He won't believe it. Just a little bit. Benozunga just like Ibona. No way. They are still going to tell us who were they talking about. It's like, no, it wasn't like that. I wasn't saying Guti like I know him. I told Guti Mazala 2017, but basically I started knowing the guy in 2019. I don't know that guy, bruh. Like, and he's been pushing that whole line from yesterday. Oh, it's so tiring. I'm just like, are you not exhausted, God? Baloyi, guys. By now. And then he continues with this thing, Akwabini, right? The Ntuli name. And it's like me. No, Silomake Gangobi, guys. I'm Pamela Make, Usilomake Gangobi. Make, Silomake Gangobi. We're not related, bruh. Like, I don't even know the guy. But our surnames are the same. So it's the same thing, no Kwabini and Officer Gushentu. It's not like they know each other. And Nakona, even if they did know each other, Umuzi is like, I came, understand. For me, didn't come for anyone. And Umuzi Jadil good to know what Ngizokonyuloga basically Ngizulu is to come out and be like, hey, Kikatele, this is me now. This is my story. That's the story that you heard from Kininda, the one that he related and then lied. That's not me. Some fairy tale of some sort of some book for himself and the movie that he's busy with that has nothing to do with me. Umuzi is like that now. It's just like whatever. And his answers, and he doesn't care. It's just like, and he had to actually tell him straight. Actually, going forward, can you not ask me about people that have nothing to do with me? Please leave me alone. It's just like, sad Samus. Sholole had to stand up, guys, and be like, bruh, like, what are you even doing? Ibong go my fana and then what? Government needs to clean your office was just like, my lord, please, can I just tell this guy where to get off? Please. He must just leave me alone. And then defense. It's like I exist. You know how it goes on. ikanjena baloyi yabona Ratha Mokgotleng who is in Rustenburg nomunye ola akusho ukuthi we are related. Those Mokgotleng zezilapho have nothing to do with me. We're not related. Same thing. Like, oh hello njani guys. Hi guys. Yiphapazi problem ubaloyi. So uma uzogcina seyicelela ukuthi hey mina abantu abake bangeke. Umuntu angibuze ngami. Angangibuzi ngofisa ukuhla Ntuli, angangibuzi ukuthi ngogwabeni angikho into enhlanganisa na those people. And I have explained ukuthi labantu especially yena ufisa ukuhla Ntuli ngimaze la mina. I don't know this person. Ngoba nithi mina naye we were at Makhumalo's house. Siyubisi udubulana noSenzo. I wasn't there. Like I don't even know what you're talking about. Mina I was at my village eMahlabathini. Ratha is also learning other things now ukuthi ho this fairy tale ka Brigadier Ginda Nobaloyi they created it is becoming crazy. Cause now they must force this guy ukuthi was in Mpumalanga. They're like, guys, oh, it's so wrong, eh? Baloyi, guys, is still pressing on that thing. I say Tembisa where accusing about when I was staying with his uncle Uguti. They found like some ammunition there and all of that. Those things I took and planted them. It did plant them. So what must happen now? When Minister came to his rescue, he was just like, hey, are we not here about Senzo May was passing and unaliving? Bukhuluma ngani manje? Hayi. Late Mngomezulu's name came up. Leleto Bani Umnisi trying to argue the fact that the number man the state have is not the same as the one that Mngomezulu had. Guys, like high state man, like they're cooking and manufacturing. We bachelor for straight Mngomezulu. We didn't even play with them. Hayibo, Umnisi is like you'll never stop. Guys, someone in the comments said, and I would say, and I understand the English. The fact that today he was even asking for some paper he wants to read from it. It's not written in Zulu, that paper. And he said, Gune corruption in Zagalayola. That was my title. Vele I would say Zulu English about foot. I just feel like Buffalo whatever. Like yo, like I said yesterday, Guti Balo is actually defeated. And he was looking at him like, wow. Looking at Muzi. Because Muzi was just like, Mina ukfonela na kwale Shabani no nozungu mina ngena plapu general Shabani. My fonela nozungu. Again no. Actually, oh my gosh, I was just like, wow. In fact, gendlele ngangeni ngayo lapho. Ngaleso sikhathi around them calling each other uGeneral Shabani noZungu, there's other people that were calling each other ngeni nowhere. Mina into engibhekana nayo ukuthi mangifonelana noMaphisa ngobe umalume wami ngizombuza impilo. That's all that matters. And it's been telling them ukuthi please don't involve me in stuff that has nothing to do with me. Ngena be good man ngaliphi ibindi mhlawumbe. He is trying so hard Baloyi to trick Umuzi Sibiya and it's not working. That guy is smarty. And the answer is just like he's a bit rude in his answers, but I'm just like, they need it. The state, they need that. And what happened was that you had control when Sengishukinend wabopha these guys being in right? It doesn't mean that they are not smart, and it doesn't mean that you're going to walk all over them and force them to agree while they understand. They can't. Understand, it's their time to tell their story. I mean, that's just my thing.